guys, what's up? It's me, Brandon, and this is my 91 Integra G23. I've added a 2.3 badge to the side of the car. This has actually been on here quite a while, but I figured I'd get down and dirty with the car and kind of show you little details about it. A little nice Honda emblem, excuse my license plate. But basically, this is my car. I just kind of want to get into filming and everything. You know, I want to make this I want to say like an action car, you know, and get into action filming and stuff like that. It's kind of just a hobby I'm kind of interested in, wanting to get into. So I want to talk about my car a little bit and a few things that I'm going to be doing to it. First off is I have this camera here that I got recently, and unfortunately it's not a GoPro, but it's an Emerson, but it actually seems to be doing pretty well. But since I now have my C-pillar bar mounted here, I've actually recently just got a bracket to make this camera actually mount on my C-pillar bar. So hopefully soon I'll be getting some footage of this. It'll either be facing forward or backwards, any which way I feel. But a few other things I want to talk about that I plan on doing to the car is other than making it lighter any way I can. I want to add this bar here, get some brackets made to where I can add it here and here and have like a X bar, if you guys can see what I'm thinking about. And guys, if you guys plan on driving fast at all ever, please wear a helmet, safety harnesses, make your car safe. The more safer it is, the better, because like we need you around, type of thing. But on safety, I have a neck brace that if I ever plan on running 10 seconds, you best believe I'm going to wear it, plus a helmet and 5-point harnesses. And I even have the strap pieces that keep your arms in the car from flopping out, but that's more of a dirt track car, but I figured I could add it to my Honda. Excuse my floors. I've also mounted, this kind of behind the scenes on these videos, you don't ever really get to see where the guys are hiding their cameras at when they're filming and stuff, but I've got a camera. This is my cell phone mounting, and I do a lot more of my filming on my cell phone than I do anything else, just because I have it and I know how to operate it really, really well. But I got this thing for like $10. It fits my phone perfectly, mounts it up there. I would show you the phone on there, but I'm filming with it right now, so it's kind of hard to do that. But basically, it's got a little suction cut dilly, which doesn't really want to come off. There we go. But basically, just put it on there, clamp it down really hard, and well, here, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but push it up there and then flip the button, and it's good to go. It's nice and sturdy and tight. But then second gear shifts at 9,000 RPM or whatever. But yeah, just kind of little look into my car. It's kind of dirty right now. I need to clean it, but I love my bar. I'm gonna probably this weekend I am gonna add the passenger seatbelt harnesses to it that are not in it, so that way my passengers are safe. I also have another action camera that I'm going to add to this car. It's kind of mounted, but it's not hooked up, but there are the wires to it. They go all the way down here, and it would be your reverse light, the reverse camera that they sell you with the CD players and stuff like that, radios. But I plan on melting it. I'm planning on hooking it up right here in my old keyhole, because I don't have a key lock anymore on this car. It just locks, basically. But so anyways, yeah, so that right there is will be a rear view camera, I guess, that I'm gonna end up setting up for the car and end up hooking it up somehow and making it record. I'll be able to do it. But yeah, this concludes my video. This is my G23 car, and I can't make this video. I'll give you guys at least one look at my beautiful engine, and it's about to be way more better, because soon I plan on turboing it, and then on top of that, maybe get a CCS block upgrade on a different block later on down the line, but definitely be an F series and end up having an H head. And I actually plan on locking the camshafts, so that'll be another plus as well. This is it. I'll show you G23, F23A1 block, and an H22 head, basically. Nice cam gears on there. less battery, you know. But eventually, she'll be boosted, and I might make a small little video on this car here as soon as I get done. I'm losing daylight right now, but it's my 96 Honda Accord, and I just put another F-Series engine in it. It wasn't VTEC before, but it's VTEC now. But I'm actually going to go ahead and finish this guy up here so I can get it running and sell it. Basically, everything's on it. Just need to get it finished putting back together. But anyways, that's my Integra. This concludes my video. You know, like my channel, subscribe to my channel as well. And thank you guys. You know, God bless to all y'all. And you know, everybody try to build a G-Swap. It'll be fun. It'll be very nice. They're awesome cars. They're awesome engines anyway.